Again, I'm telling you what we have taken. We have taken two shallow containers. We have put some water, and what we have seen, we have kept two small candles over there. And if you just cover the light up candles, what we will observe, both will they will see the same observation or the other. Be fast. Yes, Dipta.
The longer glass, ma'am, the candle in the longer glass will burn for a longer time.
Why?
Ma'am, because there is more oxygen
Yes, you're right.
in
Or
that long glass.
one more thing you should observe. Yes, you're right. Yes, you are right. But one more thing you are going to observe. Anyone, Ankita, Socho, or Batao? No.
Ma'am, we thinking.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
the
can you
plan.
bring some questions?
Can you
Yes.
can you see the two beaker I'm drawing out? Will I switch off the light?
Um, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's
Yes,
shining
ma'am.
a little bit.
Ma'am, see that?
Now we can see it better.
So there is a two tumbler, and in two tumbler we have kept the same size, two small candles. They are just burning, and we have taken some water. Okay, both the same level. Both are all having the same condition. In one case we have taken a glass and put it on the candle, and the other case I have taken a much more longer glass, and we have just covered the candle. What will be the observation? Yes, as Dipta told that in that case, in the second case, the candle should be burning for a much longer period of time. Why?
Ma'am, because
Why?
there is much more quantity of oxygen.
Much more quantity of oxygen. So what will happen? Yes, you are right. So now what will happen to the water level? In this case, in the small glass, just you see, the water level will rise because the place of oxygen will be taken up by water, and there will be much more rise in water in case of, because यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन था, उसको कौन रिप्लेस करेगा आफ्टर बर्निंग? Water will replace.
Ma'am,
So the
water.
height of water in the larger glass will be more than that of the smaller one.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
समझ में आ गया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Ankita, read the next question.
Ma'am, the next question is now answer the ma'am these ma'am now there's some questions related to this picture only. Should I read them?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Ma'am, do candles continue burning or blow off? Why?
So what will be the answer? Yes, Ankita, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Bol.
candles will not continue burning because the presence of oxygen will be cut off after the glass is placed.
So it will just burn for a short period of time, and after that it
Yes,
will
ma'am.
stop burning because all the oxygen that is present inside the glass will be used up by the burning process. Okay, is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Why? It's all the with the reason. You are going to
Yes,
write
ma'am.
little bit. I will give you 15 minutes. No, don't write. Let me discuss the questions you are going to write. Everyone should write. Okay. Next one. अभी नहीं लिखना है. Next question. Read the next question, Ankita.
Yes, ma'am. The next, which candle will burn for a longer time? Ma'am, we've done this.
That we have done. I have told you that I can do in the bigger glass that has been covered by a bigger glass, because the volume of the bigger glass is more, the volume of oxygen will also be more in that, and for that case, in the second case, the candle will burn for a much more longer period. Okay, next question.
Ma'am, the next question is, which gases occupy the space in the glass even after the candle blows out?
So other than oxygen, all the components that you know of here, that is nitrogen will be there, carbon dioxide will be there, and also some other gases like helium, hydrogen will also be there. But as you know, children, for your information in science, I am going to tell you, when the candle burns with the help of oxygen, some carbon dioxide gas is also produced. Okay. Although the space becomes the air takes the place of oxygen, but still small amount of carbon dioxide is also produced. Okay. that is also there, that will add up to the percentage of carbon dioxide in the gas in the air that is present inside the glass. Okay, next question, read Ankita. B.
Yes, ma'am.
That all
Ma'am,
you can do. I'm not discussing all you can do. This is a
yes, ma'am.
percentage pie chart, or it's representing all the percentage of different gases present in the atmosphere. Next, match the column. Just
Yes, ma'am.
Ankita, you will first read the column 2, then you read column A, so that we can do the matching.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first column 2.
हाँ सारे ऑप्शंस पढ़ दो व्हाट आर देयर. ओके.
Ma'am, A is important part of water cycle.
ओके.
Ma'am, B is important component of proteins. Ma'am,
यस.
C is harmful if inhaled for long.
यस.
D supports burning. And E necessary for photosynthesis.
Okay, now Devanshi, first one, nitrogen. What will be the match? Harshita. Harshita first. बोलो हर्षिता.
Ma'am, yes,
हम्म.
ma'am. Ma'am, harmful if inhaled for long.
It is an imp that no, it's not right. What will be on the right option?
Ma'am,
Devanshi.
ma'am, non-reactive gas.
No, 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 no. Nitrogen क्या है? Nitrogen is the main component of protein. Match it, children. Everyone should
Yes,
match this
ma'am.
in the class. It is an important component of protein.
Ma'am,
Next, oxygen. Dipta, oxygen. What will it match it
yes,
with?
ma'am. Ma'am supports burning.
Supports burning. Aradhana. Next one. Carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, carbon dioxide necessary for photosynthesis.
Yes. Water vapor. Akshara. Water vapor. Water vapor. Water vapor. Ronak Kumar Yadav. Water vapor. What will be the right match? Yes, Harshita. Harshita. Harshita, बोलो.
Ma'am, important parts of water cycle.
Yes, important part of water cycle.
Ma'am,
Very good.
important part of water.
And the last one is dust and smoke. That is the harmful if inhaled for long. Okay. Done. Going to the next one. Ankita, read the next question. Next page.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
is a picture that you are going to
Ma'am,
observe.
the traffic police picture.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Ankita. Now you have all seen the picture. Now you are going to. After that, you
Yes,
are going to
ma'am.
answer. All of you have seen. Now read it, Ankita. Read the question. D.
Yes, ma'am. What is covering the nose and mouth of a policeman?
What is covering the nose and mouth of a policeman? Yes, Nancy.
Ma'am, mask.
That is a mask that is wearing. Okay, next question.
Yes, ma'am. Why is he putting a cover on his nose?
Why is he putting a cover in his nose? Other than those already have answered. Please do raise your hand so that we can discuss. Ayushman is there. Akansha Shukla. Anyone? Why there is a mask on the mouth and nose of the person? Yes, Aradhna.
Ma'am, to do not get the pollution and the dust and smoke into her nose.
so that the the impurities or the pollutants doesn't enter the nose and mouth of the person, and that is why he is wearing the mask. Okay, next.
Ma'am, can you comment on air quality of the place in the above figure?
Yes, Dipta, what is the will be the air quality in that place?
Ma'am, the air quality will be very low. Like, ma'am, there will be many, there will be some harmful impurities present in the air, and there will be dust and smoke mixed with
And
it.
different types of harmful pollutants like nitrogen dioxide. Yes, Ankita, you can add up. Yes, Ankita.
Ma'am, different types of harmful pollutants like PM 2.5 and PM 10 particles.
Yes, you can have the write down the names also as far as you know. Yes, along with carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, these are all will be present in that part of the area. So the balance of the different gases is not there. There is much more harmful pollutant gases over there, and it is very injurious for our health. Okay. Next. Next question, Ankita read.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the next section is how does oxygen become available to animals and plants living in water and soil?
Yes.
Ma'am, that is the name of the section. Now, ma'am, first question is complete the sentences. When water is heated in a pan, air bubbles appear inside the pan because
Yes. When water is heated in a pan, already we have done this activity. Please put on your video. I can see only Ankita, Aradhna, and Dipta. Put on your videos, everyone. If and Harshita also, I can see. Why you are not there in your videos on? Because you know, children, एग्जाम के टाइम में आप वीडियो ऑन रख रहे हो और क्लास के टाइम में नहीं, so this is not the thing. Yes, tell
Mom,
me.
this is not fair.
Yes, this is not a part of your discipline, children. You should be putting on your video every time. Yes, Ayush Verma, tell me, what will be the answer? When water is heated in a pan, air bubbles appears inside the pan. Why? Tell me. Ashmita, bolo.
Mom, because of the air?
Because of the air, tell me, just tell me what is happened. Because of the air means it's not making a sense. Yes, Aradhna.
Mom, the air dissolved in it become bubble when it is hitting and comes up on the pan surface.
Okay, so when we are heating up, the air that has been dissolved in water, they expand. I told you last classes also, air on heating expands. So these small particles of the air, that is the dissolved oxygen or carbon dioxide, they will expand, and as a result we are able to see some bubbles. And as the bubbles grows becomes bigger, they will come to the surface. But actually initially as we start to heat, you are going to see small bubbles sticking on the surface of the
Mom, I
pan at the
always
bottom.
see on my kettle
Yes.
when I am
You have seen
making the
also,
water.
or every day you can see during the time that when your tea is made or the hot water is just being made over there in the gas stove, you are able to see these. You will see. That is all. Yes,
Mom,
yes,
I always see.
हर्षिता बोलो क्या है हर्षिता एनी डाउट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अंकिता पढ़ो
yes, ma'am. When
नेक्स्ट
water
क्वेश्चन
is poured on dry soil in a beaker, bubbles start coming out because
यस अंकिता आंसर
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because of ma'am, the soil the air that is in the gaps of the soil, ma'am, the water takes place of that. The
सो
ma'am, it
एज अ
comes out
रिजल्ट
from the bubble.
yes the air that the water that takes the place yes Dipta anything to add
Mom, I always see this process when I always give water to plants.
yes so what will happen if you are giving water on the soil or dry soil the air that has been trapped in between the particles of soil what will happen the water will get filled up over there and it will replace the air which will come out as bubbles yes next next
Yes,
question
ma'am.
Ankita
Earthworms come out of soil during heavy rains because
same thing, you know that the air that has been trapped inside the soil that supplies oxygen to the earthworm. Very important question, children. The air that has been trapped in between the soil particles is having oxygen, and this oxygen is supplied to the living organisms that are living inside the soil, suppose such as earthworms. So if it rains and all that gap is replaced by water, so there will be no air in between the soil, so for breathing, the earthworm or the other organisms, those are living inside the soil, has to come up for breathing to exchange gases from the atmosphere. Am I clear? You are not going to, you are going to write, I will be giving you time. At last question we are
yes,
going to
ma'am.
discuss. Okay, last question padho, Ankita.
Yes, ma'am. Oxygen in the atmosphere does not get used up even though a large number of organisms are using it because
Yes. Only Dipta, Aradhana, Ankita और कोई नहीं. Raise your hands, Nancy. Shreyash. Yes, Shreyash.
Ma'am, because the plants are always produce oxygen.
Yes. So There is
Excuse
all.
me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Aradhana. Yes,
ma'am,
Aradhana.
are you seen, ma'am?